Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today is June the 16th, 2020. Now today, we're going to update you all on AMD and try to answer the question, is this particular product still a buy at the current price location today? Now, if this is your first time watching our video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell notification, become notified of whenever we upload our videos to this particular platform. Also, join us on all of our other social media platforms. We're here for you to give you all a heads up as to where certain particular products are likely to go before it gets there. I mean, because literally when you look at price charts, the only thing that you need to determine is what's the likelihood of where a particular product's going to go. And that's what we possess. We're here to give you something that you're able to hold on to, something to give you a heads up as to where the market is going to go. In today's video, we're going to show you that in AMD. Okay, so make sure you follow us on all the social media platforms, our own website, just to make sure you stay in tune, because we're here to give you all early warning to let you know what's going to happen into the market before it actually does. So AMD stock. AMD, we did our price forecast for AMD all the way back about a month ago, May 15th, 2020, talking to each and every one of you, letting you know that AMD stock was going to move higher in price. And as I zoom in on this daily price chart for AMD, you can literally tell that for the most part, AMD literally just consolidated, right? But I told you on that video that AMD is going to try to test all-time highs. And what day did that occur? Right there on June the 10th. So the market on June the 10th and AMD tried to crack above all-time highs, but it fell short because right there on the 19th of February 2020 is when the all-time high was in for AMD. But we came in close, about 27 cents away from making all-time highs on the 10th of June, right? So hopefully you was able to tag out the market at the high of $59 right there on June the 10th. If you weren't able to do that and you're into the market right now, you'll be down at a loss of about 0.5%. Okay, so hopefully you was able to get around 8% profitability into the market from our forecast that we did on May the 15th, because now the market may have changed. The market may actually be exemplifying and exhibiting more weakness than strength since our video on May the 15th. Okay, and I want to show you on the weekly time frame why I'm saying that. So the market in AMD has tried to continually break above $58. That area is restriction going forward, point blank. Okay, and instead of me utilizing this line for ascending as the trend, we're going to transpose it and use it for restriction in order to see the overall strength in the market in AMD going forward. So I'm not expecting AMD stock to move higher until I see breakage on strength above $58, period. Anywhere below that, even $56, I mean, that area is going to hold back AMD from moving higher as well. But I just want to hold out around $58 or so for some restriction into the market in AMD. Okay, so let's hold that there. Monthly time frame, you guys can see that we have at least 3 consecutive months, this month, May, and then in April, of AMD trying to break up above $57.50, and it's been unsuccessful. So again, long term, AMD stock is not exhibiting a lot of strength right now. Now, like I said, the market in AMD has just been really consolidating, which lets us know that either the market trapper is selling his shares at this particular price level, or he is accumulating, period. That's what's going on into the market right now. And based off what's going on, it looks as if he's selling into the market at these high prices. Okay, so what we're going to ride with into the market in AMD is going to be some weakness. Okay, now I'm not going to tell you that the market is exceedingly weak, but more or less we're just going to try to consolidate in this particular range. Okay, That's what I'm looking for AMD stock to do. Okay. Now, as we continue to trade out and the market breaks below $52, then the market is weak. Guaranteed right there. $52 AMD stock cannot break below. Okay. So we're going to play this particular forecast in AMD on an hourly time frame. Okay. Now, like I said, break is below $52. The sentiment into the market is definitely weakness. Okay. We're going to TP it though around 53 because I do see an area of support around there, which would grant us about 2.5% profitability into the market in AMD. Okay. So again, playing this on the long term. Consolidational range for AMD is $58 restriction all the way down to 52. So expect the market to try to bounce in between those two numbers. That's it. Long term though, I'm not confident into the overall strength into the market in AMD based off of this alone. Its inability to break above 56 and $57 to the upside. Okay. So we got opportunity though. Like I'm telling you now that the trap is definitely trying to hold the market here. We have to make a determination though if he's selling or if he's accumulating. Time will tell as we continue to see this market in AMD trading in that range that I've just talked about. Okay, and I'm going to create one just for you in AMD for our range. Okay. So this is the range right there in AMD stock. Expect the market to try to bounce into and from that area. If we get another major indication of weakness on a weekly time frame, then breaks below $52 is definitely going to happen. Okay, so we're just going to play this into the market in AMD, and we're going to continue to play some of this weakness into this particular product on the daily time frame. Okay, let's bring that down just a tad, and we're going to continue to watch this market in AMD trade out. Okay, guys, got questions or comments, let us know. This is just our nearest update into the market in AMD. I thought we said play on the 4-hour. Yeah, we're playing this on the 4-hour chart. So we're going to hold that there on the 4-hour chart for AMD. And now we just need to sit and wait and let the market try to do its business. You guys got questions or comments, let us know. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and I'll talk to you all on the next one, okay?